In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can reduce a video file size without losing its quality. So let's get started. So I have this sample video right here. I just need to make a right click to know its size. Click on properties. So currently this is 2.30 MB. So we need to reduce this file size of this video, and that is through the use of VLC Media Player. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type VLC. Click on VLC Media Player. Now, once you are in the VLC Media Player, you need to look at the ribbon and look at the options at the top and click on the Media tab. And here you'll find the option Convert and Save. Convert or Save, click on that. Then we have to add the file. So click on the add button. And then I have saved this on my desktop. So I'm just going to click on it and click on open. Then we just have to simply click on convert and save. Then here you have to, for the profile, we need to simply choose right here, video dash H264 plus MP3, which is MP4, okay? This one, this option. Okay, so this is the option that we need to choose. And then you will notice this settings icon. Click on that. So this should be MP4. And then right here for the video codec, do not check this option, keep original video track. And for the codec, it should be H264, the same thing as what you can see on the screen. Now click on the audio codec. Make sure to uncheck this option, keep original audio track. And then you have to look for the codec. You have to click on this drop down arrow and choose MP3. And then that's it. Click on save. Then we need to browse for the destination file. So we can name it to any other name. Okay. And then we just need to save it in the desktop and click on save. Click on start and this will start converting the video, as you can see. Now once done, we need to close the VLC Media Player. And here we can find, so in the beginning it was 2.30 MB, but now it has been converted to 308 KB, okay? And that is the best thing there. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.